Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram followers and following list to improve your privacy. To get started, open Instagram on your iPhone or Android device and head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. By default, when you tap on your followers or following, these lists are visible to anyone who visits your profile. Instagram doesn't give an option to completely hide these lists from everyone, but you can restrict access for people who don't follow you. To do this, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and open Settings. Scroll down and check your account type. If you're using a business account, go to Account Type and Tools and switch to a personal account. If your account is already personal, you can skip this step. Next, go back to Settings, tap on Account Privacy, and enable the Private Account option. Confirm the change, and once your account is private, only people you approve as followers will be able to see your followers and following list. Keep in mind that users who already follow you will still have access, but non-followers won't be able to see this information. And that's it. That's how you can hide your Instagram followers and following list from non-followers and keep your profile more private. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.